pharmacognosy. Experiment number 1 is to know the compound microscope, the components and making it ready for working. Microscope is defined as optical instrument comprising of lens or a combination of lenses which enables to view magnified image of a minute object. Microscopes are of two types, simple microscope and compound microscope. Let us start with introduction and different parts of the simple microscope. First one is folder arm. Folder arm is for horizontal mobility of lens. Next part is lens. There are different types of lens. There are different types of lenses like 10x, which are used to magnify the object. Next part is clip, stage clip to hold the object. Then stage for placing the object. Then adjustment screw. Adjustment screws are for vertical mobility of the lens, focus on the object. Next one is mirror. Mirror is of plane mirror type for reflection of light on object. And last part is base to support of the microscope. So this is nothing but different parts of simple microscope. Second part is compound microscope. Let us start with the different parts of the microscope. In compound microscope, first part is eyepiece. Eyepiece is of different types like 5x, 6x, 10x, 15x. This eyepiece is used to observe the magnified real image. Second part is dot tube. Next part is body tube. Body tube is used to hold the nose piece at the bottom and eyepiece at the top. Next part is coarse adjustment knob. It is used to bring the object into focus. Next one is fine adjustment knob. This is used for fine and clear focus of specimen to reveal finer characteristics in detail. That means fine image is observed by using this knob. Next part is revolving nose eyepiece. This is used to hold 2, 3, 4 objects which can be revolved to align the required objective. Next part is objective. Next part is objective. Produce first magnification showing real inverted image like 45x, 100x and 10x. 100x is also called as oil immersion lens. Next part is stage. Stage is for holding the object on slide. Then next part is arm. Next part is arm to hold the microscope while handling. Next is mechanical stage. Mechanical stage for planar, forward, backward, left, right movement of the object with help of the knob. After that, next part is condenser. Next part is condenser. This condenser condenses the light and allows parallel beam of light to pass through the stage aperture. It's have iris of diaphragm. It's have a closing and opening moment for adjustment of light which will reflect from the mirror. Now next part is mirror. Mirror is having light source. It's of two types, plane mirror and concave mirror. Then next part is inclination joint. Inclination joint. Inclination joint. Its help to incline the microscope to avoid strain on the neck and back.